We're on the Hauraki Plains and we're not far from Thames, and we're going to Matatoki Cheese Barn, and they're pretty famous for their cow's milk cheeses. They have a bunch of different cheeses. They have a shop, they have a farm with animals and goats and sheep and things, so if you're visiting New Zealand, it'll be perfect for that. But I'm excited to taste the cheeses, and they have homemade chutneys and preserves there as well. I've never been there before, so we're pretty close, coming up to Thames, and we're just about to go over the Thames River here, and we are just 5 minutes away. We're desperately trying to make a phone call and can't get in. Go and try some cheese. Time for some cheese tasting. Aged organic cheddar with stopping pork, very much so. Oh, that is good.
That's so good.
That's the aged Gault, and I can see why it's won a bronze, silver and a gold medal. And she's got this incredible blue out for us to taste. It's so creamy. And I've got a bag. I'm taking them away. Kelvin, we've stopped at your cheese barn. Your cheese is epic, showcasing the best of New Zealand. And I'm so surprised. I got recommended to come here on the way to Pauanui. You're the man who makes it. Tell everybody that's watching right now what makes it so goddamn good, because it is incredible. I love it.
Well, it's Ayrshire cows for a start, and it's organic. The milk is organic, and we don't overheat the milk. We keep it down low, so we do the minimum of pasteurisation, and the flavours start to come through. You have to age for a good period of time. These ones here can be close to a year, these Gaulters. These are fresh cheeses, obviously, and there's more in another mix. But yeah, it's down to the milk and the bacteria that you put in.
Controversial question for you. I always go to people, why do you call it Gaulter or Brie when you've got your own cows? You're in a unique place. I mean, and you know, there's a lot of people saying we can't call these things Gaulter anymore.
Oh yeah.
We're in New Zealand. I know. And you're a rock star. What are you gonna? What's the plan with that?
Listen, I've been very lazy. I concentrate on the product, but the name's got to come next. And anyone
let's name them now. Let's name them now. I mean, that's just bloody awesome. So what's the name of the street? Let's call it that.
Wainui Mountain Cheese.
Bloody awesome Wainui.
Yeah. I'm not good with names. My wife's better at this.
And this is a wash rind, and I tasted this, and you already won awards. It is so good.
I need time to actually give you some names. Sorry.
Hello.
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 Hey Coco. Wonder what your name is.
Snowy.
Well, if you don't stop at the cheese barn, you're mad. I'm so proud to be a Kiwi when you come to a place full of passion. That cheese was outstanding, wasn't it, Hazel?
Yes, and also I loved the homemade gelato that they made, ice cream and sorbets. It's caramel and milk. They were so delicious. You should definitely stop by just to get one of those. But don't forget the amazing sour cream, homemade sour cream. And also, it's so cool in there because they have so many cool ornaments and things that are just decorating the place.